County, Ohio, East Central Greene County, Southwestern Madison County, until 11:45 a.m. At 8:49 a.m., radar indicated that thunderstorms had produced heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 2 inches of rain have already fallen. Heavy rain continues to fall with another 1 to 2 inches possible. Runoff from this excessive rainfall will cause flash flooding to occur. Some locations that will experience flooding include Cedarville, Jamestown, New Jasper, South Solon, Rosemore, Gladstone, Bell Center, and Shady Grove. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. To report flash flooding, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a flash flood watch for portions of Kentucky and Ohio, including the following areas: in Kentucky, Lewis and Mason; in Ohio, Adams, Brown, Clinton, Fairfield, Fayette, Ohio, Franklin, Ohio, Highland, Hocking, Licking, Madison, Pickaway, Pike, Ross, and Scioto. Until 7 p.m. this evening, slow-moving thunderstorms are expected across the region today. Where thunderstorms develop, multiple inches of rain will be possible. This will lead to the potential for flash flooding. People in the watch area should keep an eye on the weather and be prepared for immediate action should heavy rains and flooding occur or a flash flood warning be issued. Avoid low-lying areas and be careful when approaching highway dips and underpasses. At 10:24 a.m., radar indicated that thunderstorms had produced heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 2 inches of rain has already fallen. Heavy rain continues to fall with another 1 to 2 inches possible. Runoff from this excessive rainfall will cause flash flooding to occur. Some locations that will experience flooding include Hocking Hills State Park, Star, Islesboro, Union Furnace, and Haydenville. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. To report flash flooding, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. Ohio, Southwestern Licking County, until 1:30 p.m. At 10:26 a.m., radar indicated that thunderstorms had produced heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 2 inches of rain have already fallen. Heavy rain continues to fall with another inch possible. Runoff from this excessive rainfall will cause flash flooding to occur. Some locations that will experience flooding include Columbus, Reynoldsburg, Gahanna, Pawhuska, Beechwood Trail, Summit Station, Grandville South, Etna, New Albany, Jersey, Kirkersville, Alexandria, and State Route 310 at State Route 161. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. To report flash flooding, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. Now for the official national. At 11:57 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near South Zanesville, or 7 miles south of Zanesville, moving east at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Zanesville, South Zanesville, Philo, Chandlersville, Rural Dale, Campbellville, High Hill, Duncan Falls, Blue Rock State Park. The National Weather The National Weather Service in Charleston, Virginia has issued a warning for Benton County in southeastern Ohio until 3:45 p.m. At 12:44 p.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated that heavy rain was falling over the area. The heavy rain will cause flooding. Up to 3 inches of rain have already fallen. Some locations that will experience flooding include Wellston, MacArthur, Lake Hope State Park, Hamden, Zaleski, Wilkesville, Allensville, Creola, Eagle Mills, and Radcliffe. In heavy terrain, there are hundreds of low-water crossings which are potentially dangerous in heavy rain. Do not attempt to cross flooded roads. Find an alternate route. Please report severe weather to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 800-401-9535 when you can do so safely. You may also report severe weather by posting your report to the Charleston, West Virginia National Weather Service Facebook page or by using the Twitter hashtag NWSRLX. Now looking at the National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Champaign County, Northwestern Clark County, Northeastern Miami County until 2:45 p.m. At 2:01 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near St. Paris, moving east at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Urbana, St. Paris, Christiansburg, Tremont City, Mutual, Thackeray, Westville, Lippincott, Haven View, Powhatan, Kaiser Lake State Park, Millerstown, Catawba Station, Canard, Terry Hunt, Diamond, and Rosewood. Southeastern Richland County, Southeastern Ashland County, Western Holmes County in Northeastern Ohio, Northeastern Knox County until 3:15 p.m. At 2:36 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Belleville, or 7 miles south of Mansfield, moving southeast at 15 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Mansfield, Mount Vernon, Lexington, Loudonville, Fredericktown, Dampier, Belleville, Danville, Glenmont, Nashville, Butler, Perrysville, Lucas, Gann, and North Liberty. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Holmes County in northeastern Ohio, Knox County, until 4:15 p.m. At 3:24 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Glenmont to near Fredericktown, moving southeast at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 2 inches of rain have already fallen in some locations and additional rainfall is expected. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Mansfield, Mount Vernon, Lexington, Loudonville, Fredericktown, Gandier, Belleville, Danville, Kilwick, Glenmont, Nashville, Butler, Perrysville, Lucas, Gann, and North Liberty. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Morrow County until 5:30 p.m. At 4:36 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Mount Gilead, moving southeast at 10 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Mount Gilead, Gallion, Cardington, Ashley, Chesterville, Sparta, Edison, Waringo, Fulton, Iberia, and Shock. Here are the 4 p.m. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Northeastern Logan County, Southeastern Hardin County, Northwestern Union County, Ohio, until 7:45 p.m. At 6:56 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Kenton, moving south at 15 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Kenton, West Mansfield, Mount Victory, Ridgeway, Hepburn, Mentor, Vialia, Pfeiffer, and Somersville. You're listening to NOAA Weather. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Eastern Shelby County, Northwestern Champaign County, Southern Logan County, until 8:45 p.m. At 7:56 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Jackson Center, moving southeast at 15 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Sydney, Bell Fountain, West Liberty, Enna, Jackson Center, Russell's Point, Delaware Graph, Quincy, Fort Jefferson, Maplewood, Kaiser Lake State Park, Millerstown, Boone Center, and Lewistown. This includes Interstate 75 in Ohio between mile markers 91 and 101. Thunderstorm warning for Northeastern Champaign County, Southeastern Logan County, Northeastern Madison County, Southern Union County, Ohio, until 9:30 p.m. At 8:41 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near West Liberty, moving southeast at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Marysville, Bell Fountain, Urbana, Plain City, West Liberty, Mechanicsburg, North Lewisburg, New California, Milford Center, Woodstock, Unionville Center, Raymond, and Rosedale. This includes Interstate 70 in Ohio near mile marker 83. Now for the official